Omo, while I'm not too much, guys, pray for Nigeria before Pablo Escobar will sink us. As I speak to you guys, French court has just ordered the seizure of 3 Nigeria presidential jets. It includes the new private jet that was just purchased that Nigerians cried about recently. Okay, that is yet to be delivered. As if that was not enough, as I saw this news, as much as I don't like Pablo Escobar, I wanted to be upset. Another news came in that United States of America court has also ordered, you understand, that French, the Chinese, and other courts should, should go after the seizure of Nigeria assets. As if that is not enough, they will also begin fine. Before I proceed, yes, I'll tell you what led to this issue. Yesterday, I saw on paper that nobody should interfere in Nigeria internal affair. Nigeria is sovereign nation, Problem when I get some issue I have with this Pablo Escobar government is that they are too proud. They're too proud. Please, if you want to fight with these guys, apply wisdom. Because number one, Chinese don't be on a mate. Because when Chinese, and the friends, United States of America and the rest were busy developing their country in terms of science and the rest. You people were busy developing yourself in corruption. So don't try to use what you purchase to them to say if any fight comes up, you will fight them. I beg, don't go put us on trouble. As you see me so, not day my armpit. My hand, my leg, day. Because if you messed up with these people, if you don't apply wisdom in this fight now, it is underground they will draw Nigeria map and see colorful now. Okay, that's by the way, guys. So what happened? Ogun State government, had a business deal with a Chinese court a couple of years ago. Now, there was now somehow the Ogun State stopped the contract. They stop it. Now, from the news I'm about to show you, we're going to be reading it together on the screen now. I learned that Nigeria court also some time ago award some damages for the Ogun State government to pay to the Chinese company. Do you understand? About $75 million, this and that. Now they did honor it. They said they want to pursue it. They can't this jungle legal manipulation. You understand? They are doing Nigeria. So guess what? This Chinese company now took it to court overseas. You understand? Now, and as Chinese government, protecting their own citizens, you understand their right, they took up the issue. That is what is bringing this, this disgrace worldwide on Nigeria. Seizing it's not Nigeria they have the deal with, is with Ogun State government. But they said because Ogun State government is part of Nigeria, so they went after Nigeria assets that's supposed to be under immunity and under sovereignty and all. To me, it's a shame. Anyway, but please, before we read the news together now on the screen, do me a favor by liking this video so that Facebook and YouTube can recommend, because Pablo Escobar, your president, is doing well. But meanwhile, share this video, okay? Please drop your opinion at the comment section. Let's read it together now. Thank you. According to Punch newspaper, Ogun kicks as French court seizes 3 Nigeria presidential jets. The Ogun State government has confirmed the recent seizure of 3 Nigeria government presidential aircraft by a French court. The French court granted the jet due to a contract dispute between the Ogun State government and Zhongshan, a Chinese company that had entered into an agreement with the state government. The contract between the two parties, however, hit a deadlock and was revoked by the state government in 2016. Following this disagreement, the Chinese firm took both the state government and the federal government to court, prompting the French court to seize the 3 presidential aircraft within its jurisdiction. Earlier, an application Habitat Tribunal had awarded Zhongshan approximately 74.5 million in compensation. However, the Ogun State government, which disputed this award, has yet to honor it. In a swift response, the state government described this judicial action as unfair and threatened to contest the order. In a statement on Thursday signed by the special advisor to the governor on media and strategy, Kayode Akinmade, the state government condemned the development as a new tactic by the Chinese company to seize Nigeria asset in foreign jurisdiction, noting that past efforts had continually failed. The statement reads in part, each of the 3 aircraft is used solely for sovereign purposes and as such is immune from attachment under international and French law. In securing the provincial attachment, Zhongshan deliberately withheld information from the federal government of Nigeria, Ogun State, and their legal counsel. Akimade further alleged that Zhongshan misled the Paris court regarding the nature and use of the seized asset. Shockingly, it also appears to have misled the Judicial Court of Paris about the use and nature of the asset. It seeks to attach the failed to make full disclosure to the court as required by law. Ogun State, in conjunction with the federal government of Nigeria, has taken swift action to ensure that these provincial attachments are lifted without delay. The government likened the situation to the P&ID case, insisting that this is another unfortunate instance of unscrupulous individuals posing as foreign investors with the sole aim of defrauding Ogun State and Nigeria. Akimade recalled that the contract between the state and Zhongshan was executed in 2007, 12 years before the Dipo Abiodun-led government, for the management of a free trade zone. The parties entered into a dispute in 2015 with arbitration commencing in 2016. By 2019, when the current state administration took office, the arbitration hearing had been nearly concluded. The arbitral panel awarded over $60 million against the federal government of Nigeria, which was a co-defendant, despite Zhongshan merely constructing a perimeter fence around the free trade zone. Needless to say, this was a flawed and unfair decision. Efforts by the Punch to obtain a certified true copy of the judgment for further insight into the matter are ongoing. Alright guys, God bless you. Thanks for watching. What is your thought on this?